Hey guys, this is Juice Bear, and I'm launching a brand new Beeswarm channel. I started Beeswarm only around 2 weeks ago, and I'm kind of addicted to the game already, so I'm essentially going to go from being a complete noob to trying to become as good at Beeswarm as possible. First video will be a cool, fun test roam video, where I try it as a noob, and then from there we're going to start our Noob to Pro series. Right now, as you can see, I'm working on getting some porcelain gear. That video will come up shortly after, and I'm going to document this entire journey. Not from a complete noob, because I started playing a couple weeks ago, but from pretty damn early on, I'm going to start this journey, and hopefully I can become a Beeswarm Pro. If you're excited for this, make sure to sub, notifications on, and welcome to the channel. Hope you enjoy.